Why did I go the solar route? Solar just made good sense. A lot of incentives currently, government incentives, ITC credit. As far as Duke rebates, it's green, good for the environment, and it just made a lot of sense from a financial perspective. So I got my panels, 30 panels total on my roof, 8.85 kilowatts. And then after a few months, I realized I'm pulling in a lot of power, over a megawatt a month, but I'm giving a lot of the power back to Duke Energy, which I'm a generous guy, but I'd like to keep that power if I could. So I explored and spoke with a Renu rep about the Tesla Powerwall. And after consulting, decided on a dual battery system. And the Tesla Powerwall also, if it's done in a correct order, you get 30% off of that cost as well. Obviously in the summer it's hot in Charlotte. It bills approaching $100 a month, which might not be expensive for some people, but for me it was high. Since I've gotten the solar installed, I count on a $26 electric bill every month, no matter what I use. It's just it's efficient, it's green, environmentally friendly, economical, and just it makes me feel a little bit better about myself.